is a new Dodge Demon. I think it's a 170. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just listen to it. How sick is that? Oh, God.
First glance, I know this is not like a 40-minute long typical Caleb video where we're going to deep dive into a vehicle. It's just super cool, and I love cars, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So for those who don't know, this is a Dodge Demon 170. Essentially from factory, it makes like 1,000 plus horsepower. It comes from factory with methanol injection and tuned for race gas E85. Just think of it as a spec'd out race car from factory that you can get. Pretty cool. So yeah, should be fun, and it looks awesome on camera. So sit back and relax, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Now we're going to move into washing the paint so that way we can bring it in and clay bar the front and get some PPF on it. Now for those of you wondering, Caleb, why are you washing the entire car? Shouldn't you just only have to clean the front and then clay the front if you're doing frontal PPF? Technically, yeah, you really do, but I like to wash the entire car. That helps with a couple of things. A, contamination, because the rest of the car can still be dirty. Whenever Tyler sprays any kind of slip solution on the paint, that can cause other derivatives and contaminants and everything to get into the film. You don't want that. The main thing for me though really is that whenever you get PPF done and it's done right, the car leaves looking exactly as it came, essentially. So because that's not really too extravagant, I like to wash the entire car and wipe it down. So that way when they pick it up, the tires are dressed, everything, you know, it looks clean. And I want them to think, man, this is a clean car. And since this car is already clean, we're just gonna go ahead and foam it down, wait about 2 or 3 minutes, rinse it all off, foam it down one more time, and wash it.
I'ma gotta get it, get it. And this is how's it for the come in, come in, come got it. Come in, come in, come got it. Get it, get it, come in. I'ma gotta get it, get it. And this is how's it for the come in, come in, come got it. Come in, come in, come got it. Get it, get it, come in. I'ma gotta get it, get it. And this is how's it for the come in, come in, come got it. Come in, come in, come got it. Get it, get it, come in. I'ma gotta get it, get it. And this is how's it for the come in, come in, come got it. Come in, come in, come got it. Get it, get it, come in.
And that's really it for this video. There wasn't a whole lot to it. Like I said in the beginning, it's just us giving it a basic standard detail so that way it's prepped and ready for Tyler to throw some PPF on it, and he did, and that's it. It's just a really cool car, man. It's a Dodge Demon 170. They recently started getting rolled out onto the streets, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I like cars. I think cars are awesome, and this is a sick car. So yeah, that's it. If you liked the video, go ahead and press like and subscribe to stick around and all that stuff, and I'll see you guys next week with a full-length video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya. Did I mention it's meth injected in E85 from factory? Isn't that freaking crazy? It's like 1,000+ horsepower. Dodge, what are you doing, man? Put it in like a minivan like you guys had talked about. Alright, see ya.